Did you know that nearly 80% of people struggling with high sugar have no idea that there's a glass sitting right inside their own kitchen that can dissolve sugar overnight without medicines or injections? Yes, you heard that right. This isn't some viral myth. It's a proven scientific truth. But the real question is, what exactly is this hidden glass? Is it some new tonic, a magical herbal drink, or just a simple thing we all use daily, completely unaware of its real power? Well, here's the surprise. This glass doesn't belong to any chemical or supplement. It's made of a natural liquid that's been quietly hiding in your kitchen all along. Its name is apple cider vinegar. Yes, the same vinegar made from apples. That brown bottle sitting on your kitchen shelf for months, you probably never realized the real power it holds. According to science, this vinegar is so powerful that it stabilizes your blood sugar and pushes your body out of fat-storing mode straight into fat-burning mode. And the best part? This process continues to work all night long. Just one glass before bed, and by the time you wake up, your sugar levels are naturally balanced without any effort. But how does it actually work? Let's break down the science behind it. Apple cider vinegar contains a powerful compound called acetic acid. This miracle acid sends a signal to your liver and muscles telling them to absorb sugar from your blood and use it as energy instead of storing it as fat. With just a single sip, your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, meaning your insulin starts working more efficiently, helping to lower blood glucose naturally. And the effect is so strong that multiple studies have proven taking apple cider vinegar can reduce fasting glucose levels by up to 5%. All this without medicine, without injections, and without side effects. And hey, if you think this is only for blood sugar, you're totally wrong. This magical glass doesn't just balance your sugar, it also protects your heart, controls your cholesterol, and improves your digestion system. Along with acetic acid, it's packed with probiotics that detox your gut, flush out toxins, and reduce bad cholesterol levels. In simple words, one glass of vinegar water, and your body's natural cleaning system switches on like magic. And if you're finding these facts fascinating, then don't forget to subscribe to Clinical Discovery, because we bring you powerful health revelations, explained in the simplest and most practical way you'll ever find. Now the question is, how should you actually take vinegar the right way? First thing to remember, never drink vinegar directly. It can harm your teeth and upset your stomach. The best and safest way is simple. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into 1 glass of lukewarm water. If you want to enhance the taste, add a few drops of lemon juice. It balances the flavor and gives you an extra boost of vitamin C. Drink this mixture before meals or right before bedtime and let it do its magic overnight. Scientists have discovered something even more amazing. People who take apple cider vinegar before bedtime wake up with noticeably lower blood sugar levels in the morning. That's because it works silently through your nighttime metabolism, balancing your sugar while you sleep. And that's exactly why experts call it the hidden overnight sugar dropper. But yes, a little caution is important too. If you have ulcers, acid reflux, or stomach issues, always dilute the vinegar before drinking. And if you're dealing with advanced kidney disease, it's better to avoid vinegar completely since it can slightly interfere with your body's acidity balance. Now let's talk about a powerful pro tip you'll love. If you want to double the effect of apple cider vinegar, try mixing it with black pepper and turmeric. But why these two? Because black pepper helps your body absorb all the nutrients from vinegar more effectively, and turmeric acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent that improves your insulin function. Together, this trio, vinegar, pepper, and turmeric, works like a natural shield against diabetes. And here's more. If you're trying to manage your weight along with your sugar levels, vinegar becomes your silent helper. It slows down the rate at which your stomach empties, which means you feel full for longer and naturally avoid overeating. Without any extra effort, your calorie intake drops, and that's why many doctors call apple cider vinegar a liquid discipline. When you think about it, this is such a simple kitchen remedy, something we often overlook, yet it hides a powerful medical secret. While most people keep relying on medicines and injections, this natural solution quietly sits on your kitchen shelf, just waiting to be discovered. So go ahead, give it a try. See for yourself what 1 glass of vinegar drink can do for you. It can control your blood sugar, reboot your metabolism, and revive your energy levels, all naturally, without any side effects. And if you found this information helpful, then make sure to subscribe to Clinical Discovery, because here, we don't just share random facts, we share science-backed solutions that truly work. Your one click on that subscribe button motivates us to uncover even more health mysteries, the kind that reveal the truth to the world and guide you toward a healthier, more confident life. So the next time you walk into your kitchen, take a closer look at that brown bottle sitting on the shelf, because your biggest blood sugar solution might just be hiding inside it. Now, a quick question for you. Have you ever tried using apple cider vinegar to control your sugar levels? If yes, share your experience in the comments below, because who knows, your one comment could change someone else's life. And hey, in our next video, we're going to reveal a hidden fruit that naturally activates insulin and helps control sugar spikes from the inside out. So stay tuned, because what's coming next might just surprise you.